When they left, everything was spotless. I was so impressed. And would I ask them to come back, or would I advertise for them? Heavens, yes.
3 young men showed up on the day of the appointment, Lane and his 2 cohorts, and they just tackled the job. I was so impressed with them because they were so respectful, friendly, but kept on working.
And I was very happy with the results, and I thought it looked very nice. I was surprised how nice it looked. It cleaned up very nicely. I was just 100% pleased.
The workmanship was done timely, the job was completed. You know, going into the job and leaving the job site, your crew that was there, it was, you wouldn't know they were there.
They were really fast. They got a lot done. They came in and super friendly, and they were really quick. Their cleanup, the basement looked way better when they left than before they came. They did a really good job cleaning up and like covering all of our stuff.
Your crew arrived, Matt and group, who was phenomenal to work with, and those guys came in here at 10:30 in the morning, dug down below the footing. They were able to literally raise the 3-story chimney from the ground.
We kept checking the basement after that because it was raining. Not a speck of moisture anywhere, and it was just like, yay! It was fantastic, just fantastic. We're just overjoyed with the work and with the job.
As far as the integrity of the individuals, they're all friendly, hard workers, engaged. They're very engaged at what needed to be done. It seemed top-down instruction was just straightforward, and then each of them kind of went off in their area and took care of what they needed to take care of.
To see guys that are working really hard. This is hard construction work. They're in the dirt. It's crummy work, it's hard work, it's heavy work, and then not one of them complained whatsoever about that job. Those are hard people to find.
They were equipped well, they were prepared for their work. They had a handle on what they, you know, again, planning your work, working your plan, they had a handle on that real well as far as the cooperation between the 3 of them.
We have a basement now. We have a room that we could actually finish off. It's like a new home. And it's like the home that we were hoping it was when we purchased it.
When you look at the experience and all the work they've done, that tells the story.